Want to send photos in TikTok messages? First, open TikTok and tap Inbox at the bottom. Then select the conversation you want. Tap the camera icon beside the text field. Switch to photo, snap a picture or swipe up to pick one from your camera roll. Then tap Send. You'll share a photo instantly within the chat. If you'd rather send multiple images or videos at once, open a chat. Tap the plus icon next to the text box, choose Upload, select up to 10 photos or clips from your gallery, tap Next, add captions or stickers if you like, then tap Send All to batch deliver content without reopening the camera. Keep in mind that TikTok limits direct message attachments to 10 items per send and optimizes photos for mobile viewing. So very large or high-resolution images may be automatically compressed. Also, you can only DM users who follow you back or have open DMs in their privacy settings. That's all it takes to send photos in TikTok messages. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite TikTok tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.